Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the three major US indices, that being the S&P 500, followed by the Nasdaq100 and then the DowJones30 futures charts. But let's get started here with the S&P 500. We currently find ourselves trading on this very first trading session of a brand new trading week at around $4,512. Now, what I have noticed over the past couple of days is that we are trying to consolidate the recent gains. We haven't fallen lower, we haven't continued to rise, and I think this is overall quite healthy. I think we're trying to kind of ride out or ride off the overboughtness in this market, as you can see with the RSI, by trading sideways. That will actually have a positive effect on the RSI, which will help it decline ever so slightly. So I think if we can wear this RSI down to around 60, that then gives us the room to then rally up higher, and we could potentially go and see the S&P 500 touch 4,550 to maybe even 4,600, which are of course the year-to-date swing highs. Moving over to the Nasdaq100, very similar to the S&P 500, we are trading sideways here over the past 4 or 5 trading sessions, starting to digest these very strong gains that we've seen of over 10% in the past couple of weeks here for the Nasdaq100. One thing to keep very close eyes on this week is Nvidia's earnings. They report after the bell on Tuesday. That of course is going to have a big influence as to where the tech sector trades next. For the Nasdaq100. So, definitely keep your eyes on the Nvidia earnings. The bar is set very high. It's also important to understand that this week is a shortened trading week thanks to Thanksgiving. Due to Thanksgiving, I should say. So Thursday the markets are closed. Friday is a half-day trading session. So pretty much from Wednesday onwards, you're going to see very little volatility in the markets, especially on the Friday trading session, as most traders would have taken Friday off. Moving over to the Dow Jones 30, very similar to the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, we continue to trade sideways here to work off some of that overboughtness. Here on the RSI, currently have an RSI reading of 67. It'd be good to see if we can see that go down towards 60, and that then could potentially give us that next leg higher where we can make our way up towards 36,000. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. Don't forget, guys, if you'd like to join my trading signal group and copy my own personal trades that I've been placing on my very own trading account, then make sure you scan this QR code on your screen. It'll take you to my website where you can sign up. It's a very small fee for a 12-month subscription to my signal service. And don't forget, you also receive daily market research prior to the US markets opening, which will help you guys navigate through the very volatile markets. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow.